But seriously, that speech was great.
Oh, thanks. I was actually super nervous. When they called Shopping List Plus Plus, I just kind of panicked.
May I?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, this is elegant, personalized, and everything. This is amazing.
Yeah, it's a lot heavier than you'd think it'd be.
Yeah. Hey, have you had one of these macaroons?
No, I actually haven't eaten anything all day. I would kill for an Insta-Reader right now.
Well, I think Walter's at the store. If there's only some way we could contact him.
Oh, hey, we could use the app.
Of course.
Here, my phone open, and I'll just go ahead and scroll through my shopping lists, and Walter is in the store. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and add Insta. Delicious Insta-Rito.
Wow, looks like he picked it up.
Yeah, that's super fast.
Yeah.
Oh, what do we do now?
Oh, hey, what about teach?
Great, let's teach this class.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hello there, and welcome to Firebase Essentials for Android. My name is JP, and I'm a program manager for Google with developer training. More recently, I've been involved with Google's cloud courses on Udacity.
And hi, I'm Lila. I'm an Android course developer at Udacity. I've worked on developing Android apps as well as Android for beginners.
So by now, you've probably guessed that Lila and her team are the creators of Shopping List Plus Plus, the wildly successful collaborative shopping list app written in Firebase. You've recently seen it in action when Walter, Lila's roommate, ordered us an Insta-Rito.
Right, but what you don't know is how we got here. In this 5-lesson course, you will take on the role of Shopping List Plus Plus's first developer hire. And in doing so, you're going to help us integrate the Android app with a Firebase backend.
You know, if you don't know what Firebase is, it's a platform for building mobile and web applications where you can read data, create authentication methods, and also configure security and permissions for your data.
When you're done, you're going to know how to create an app with a backend that can support something like a chat application or Google Docs, or even the backend for a multi-user game.
Yeah, and I'll be collaborating with Lila discussing Firebase theory. I'll also introduce some examples that you can use when you're building your project.
And I'm the course's app architect, which means that I'll be walking you through the code examples and talking about sort of design issues with you. I'll also ask you to implement features for the app.
So you might be wondering, what exactly do you need to know to begin this course? Well, basically, you need to be able to build Android apps that can connect to the internet and read data. You also need to understand the Android lifecycle and UI, specifically elements of responsive design. And you should know GitHub and Git repos. Basically, if you've completed the developing Android apps and completed the project for that course, you should be fine.
Mm-hmm. And there's actually a couple of things that you do not need to know for this course. For example, you don't need to know how to configure servers or do anything with backends.
So Lila, one question. What if students want to know if this course is really for them?
Well, that's a great question. And actually, we thought of that. So we typed up a full list of prerequisites, and you can go ahead and check out the instructor notes for those.
So I think with that, maybe this is a good time to take a trip down memory lane, go back in time, and see how everything began.